Updating your legal profile on Front is essential to ensure that your information is current and accurate. Follow these steps to make the necessary updates. Step 1. Log in. Before changing your settings, use the shrug.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Navigate to Profile Settings. Once logged in, locate the Profile Settings section. This is usually found in the main menu or under your account name, where you can manage your personal and professional information. Step 3. Edit your information. In the Profile Settings, look for the option to edit your legal profile. Click on it to access fields such as your name, contact information, practice areas, and any other relevant details that need updating. Step 4. Save changes. After making the necessary updates, ensure that you save your changes. Look for a Save or Update button at the bottom of the page and click it to confirm your edits. Step 5. Review your profile. Finally, review your updated profile to ensure all information is correct. Navigate back to your profile view to double-check that everything appears as intended. By following these steps, you can keep your legal profile on Front up to date, ensuring that clients and colleagues have access to your latest information.